It's the FBomb Show. Come on, everybody, it's the FBomb Show. It's the FBomb Show. Come on, everybody, it's the FBomb Show. All right, this is it. This is the year I finally enjoy something. No Carl, no drama, just me, explosions, and the patriotic burning smell.
Oh, Jesus Christ, on a trampoline! You bastard!
No way! Did I just hear fear? From you? What are you doing violently trembling behind a trash can with your tail tucked so hard between your legs it's practically up your own ass?
Call the police! Call PETA! Call my emotional support possum! I'm seeing stars and they're all screaming at me!
Oh my God! You're scared of fireworks? You have a weakness?
I don't have a weakness. I have trauma response. There's a difference, Bob. One's cute and mysterious.
Oh, this is better than the time you got stuck in the Roomba and screamed, "I'm being swallowed by technology." Here, Carl, this one's just for you.
Oh, no, don't. Oh, God, please. Oh! Why would humans invent sky bombs? Who hurt you people? I'm gonna bury you in a litter box and train raccoons to avenge me, you backyard pyromaniac!
You mock me 364 days a year, Carl. You called me a moist meatloaf in sandals.
Because you are, Bob. But this is war, and I'm a pacifist with IBS. Oh, God, oh! I just peed in fear and pride at the same time! It's confusing down here!
Oh, you'll love this one, Carl! Next up, the red, white, and suck it! Ha 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 ha!
Bob, I have a medical condition! It's called explosiphobia! Look it up! Oh!
Oh, I did right after how to psychologically dismantle a dog with a god complex!
I hope one backfires and hits you in your freedom pouch, you lawn chair goblin!
You call that an insult? My aunt says worse when I send her a birthday text.
Oh, I need a support group, or a priest, or just a really big blanket, preferably lead line.
All right, Carl, finale time. This one's called Declaration of Indigestion. Ha, yeah!
Oh, you wouldn't. You're not that evil. You monster! I'll rip out your soul through your nostrils and mail it to your mother COD collect! I swear on my ancestors' chew toys, you'll wake up one day covered in peanut butter, surrounded by very confused squirrels, you bastard!
Happy 4th of July, Carl! You dipshit!
I'm gonna tell every squirrel, possum, and raccoon in this neighborhood what you've done! You'll never be able to leave a sandwich unattended again, you son of a bitch!
That's fair! This is worth it!
I'll carve my name in anger into your lawn with my ass drag and spell out Bob the Poop Packer! I'll sneak into your next colonoscopy and narrate the footage like David Attenborough on mushrooms! You human yeast infection! Who gave you fire and opposable thumbs? Fuck you!